Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. So join us on a journey into the lives of the world's most iconic and stylish women. On our channel, we upload daily videos featuring the biography of fascinating females including Princess Catherine, get to know the Duchess of Cambridge lifestyle and philanthropic work, Princess Victoria, discovered the Swedish royal fashion sense, family and royal duties, Melania Trump, explored the former First Lady journey from modeling to the White House, Princess Lady Diana, remembered the People Princess' remarkable life, fashion and humanitarian work. So subscribe to our channel for daily dose of inspiration and style in depth of biographies and stories, fashion tips and trends from the world's most stylish women, a community of like-minded individuals passionate about women's empowerment and fashion. So hit the subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. New videos uploaded daily, so be sure to check back often. From royalty to celebrities, we covered it all. Get ready to be inspired by these incredible women's stories. Fashion, family and philanthropy, we explored it all. Join our community of fashionists and women's empowerment advocates. Share your thoughts and comments on your videos. Let's celebrate these amazing women together. Stay tuned for special features and interviews. We love hearing from you, so don't hesitate to reach out. Follow us on social media for behind the scene peeks, collaboration and guest appearance coming soon. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching. More exciting content on the way, so stay subscribed. Tell your friends and family about your channel. Let's build a community that uplift and inspire each other. We are honored to share these women's stories with you. Stay fabulous inside and out. Thanks again for being part of our journey. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, join us as we delve into the fascinating life of Princess Kate Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge. From her humble beginnings to become a beloved member of British royal family, Kate's story is one of the dedication and inspiration. In this video, we will cover Kate's early life and education, her meeting and romance with Prince William, her transformation into a royal icon, her philanthropic work and charitable cases, her fashion sense and style evaluation, her life as a mother and a wife, poise and grace in the public eye, devotion to her family and royal duties, passion for making a positive impact, timeless fashion choices and trends. So my beautiful viewers, subscribe to our channel for more royal biographies and stories. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. Follow us on social media for behind the scene peeks and exclusive interviews. Share your thoughts and comments on Kate's inspiring story. Let's celebrate this amazing woman together. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I wanted to take a moment to share with you my exciting news. I have recently launched this YouTube channel where I'll be sharing fashion content from around the world. On my channel, you will get to see the latest fashion trends and style from American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos.